Super easy, super customizable, your own kind of door handle. All you have to do is put a few leather coats or whatever paint you choose. I use some markers, some paints, and then just glittered over it and put some stickers on it. But if you see, like, my stickers or my gum confetti has like several layers to it, and it has some hearts on it, some confetti that I just like had a layer of glue, just a spray of glue, and then I just put some stickers on it, and this is the final result, and I have my own unique door handle.